In round 4, the pattern we're going to be repeating is 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the second stitch, and 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Let's get started by finding our first stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Then the second stitch we'll be working 2 single crochets in that stitch. And 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Let's take a closer look at our stitches. We have our stitch marker that's holding the place in the last stitch of round 3. Then we have 4 stitches in our current round. Let's repeat our pattern one more time. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the second stitch, and 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Now repeat that pattern 4 more times and I'll see you when you're done. Your work should look something like this. Don't forget to take your stitch marker out of round 3 and move it to round 4. You should have 24 stitches in this round.